Welcome to Flippin' Rejects with me, Shane Liffey, where we take items that people are giving away for free over the internet or not so free items that we find at the thrift store. And we take those rejected items and flip them into something cool like functional artwork, home decor, or furniture. Today, we're going to take this skateboard that I found in a ditch somewhere, and we're going to take it and create a functional art piece out of it. Let's get started.
So I'm taking the skateboard deck and turning it into a coat rack, all the while showing some respect to the state and city that I love. Removing the grip tape was a little easier than I thought it would be. Just a heat gun and a little elbow grease, and it comes right off. I sanded down the deck just to get rid of the excess adhesive left over by the grip tape, and also to give it a smooth finish for whenever I apply the vinyl graphic stencil, for which I'll cut out on the scroll saw. Finish off with a little hand sanding around the edges just to kind of knock off the years of usage. Here I'm using a little isopropyl alcohol just to wipe off the excess sanding dust and also give it a clean finish for whenever I apply the vinyl graphic stencil. Although I'm new to using the scroll saw, I think this turned out pretty well, even though it took what felt like forever. A little more hand sanding after the use of the scroll saw to just get in between the buildings and just the cracks and crevices. Here I'm using the laser cutter to just cut out the Tennessee TriStar that I'll use on the board. And here I'm just cutting out some PVC spacers that I'll use later on the bolts that hold the wheels to the board. And now I'll just finish up final assembly. The bolts, the spacers, and the wheels. I originally had painted the Tennessee TriStar that I laser cut white to match the wheels, and I decided once I had put it on that I really didn't like the way that it looked, so I decided to go a different direction. I chose a more muted stained look, and I think that turned out a lot better. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. So skateboard coat rack, you think they need another minute? Yeah, that's pretty good. Oh, hey, I'm just making some cookies with this coat rack from a skateboard that you guys just watched me build. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button, and if you really like the video, hit the bell so you get a notification every time I make another video where I flip something into something cool. So have a great day and go out and make something awesome.